Here are a few different ways you can easily fix playback issue or lagging in Davinci Resolve. So the first method is click on playback, hover over on timeline playback resolution and select quarter. And now you can easily play back your video while editing without any lag. And the second solution is open your Davinci Resolve settings, and here we can see timeline resolution and playback frame rate. So must select timeline resolution and playback frame rate matching with your video footage. So match your resolution and frame rate with your video clip, then click on save, and then you can easily play your video without lagging issues. And the next solution is go back to your media pool, and we have to reduce our video size. So right click on your video and click on proxy media and select generate proxy media. This will reduce your video clip. Once the video reduced, you can easily play back the video without lagging problem, just like this. Thanks for watching.